Two words about Impulse. So SMS, Impulse is the SMS payment leader in Luxembourg today. We handle about 70% of mobile payments traffic based on the mobile operator payments. So we are talking about digital payments for digital goods and services, and we are talking about micropayments for up to 3, 6, 9 euros. So it's not the big payments we're talking about today. What we are doing today, we are currently conducting a research and development project which is co-funded by the Luxembourg government, with the goal, in fact, to bridge the gap between telcos, banks, and merchants. So to introduce basically the banks into the mobile payment, which is not the case today, with the ultimate goal to develop a new mobile payment ecosystem in Luxembourg and beyond. So how does our mobile payment system work? It's based on scanning of QR codes. QR code is what you see over here. So they told me not to come too close to the loudspeaker in order to avoid disturbance. QR code, which is on an invoice on a screen. I think we're going to show it to you later on how it works in practice. And within this QR code, actually, there can be all related info to the invoice, to the amount to be paid. So the merchant's ID, it's the invoice number, the project reference, whatever you want within the QR code, it can be contained within this code. And underlying this, the money transfer is done by a bank transfer. So it's a credit transfer, basically, French virement. And alternatively, of course, we can handle it with using credit cards.
Digicash is proud to introduce the next generation payment solution on the market. Launch the app, scan the barcode or bump, enter your PIN number, and payment done. With Digicash, no need to carry your checkbook, wallet, card, or cash in order to pay. How it works? Simple. You can pay invoices with Digicash. After launching the app, simply scan the barcode on your invoice, enter your PIN, and payment done. 2. You make a purchase online. Simply launch the app on your smartphone. Scan the barcode on the computer screen, enter your PIN, and payment done. At the supermarket, tell the cashier you're paying with Digicash. Simply launch the app, click on the barcode, enter your PIN number, and the cashier will scan the barcode showing on your smartphone screen. It's paid. 4. You want to pay for a song directly downloaded on your mobile. Type Digicash on the screen, type your PIN, and payment done. 5. You want to pay for your coffee faster? Bump your phone with the merchant. Store phone too. Payment done. Digicash is a universal payment solution in your pocket. In order to use Digicash, you link your bank account or debit or credit card to your Digicash account at no cost. Digicash is the most efficient and secure payment solution that will be deployed on the market in the next few months. Why? Because no personal information like your credit card number or your name go through the merchant payment system. Digicash is fast, simple, secure, and reliable. Be part of the revolution of the next generation payment solution. Be Digicash.
Okay, so now we're going to show to you how it works in practice. So we have the second screen basically because that's what's supposed to be an iPhone, but it's the iPad because with the iPhone you can't make any projections on the screen. So once you are at a restaurant, for instance, you see the bill at the end of your meal. So this bill contains a QR code we just showed you on the screen before, so that the checkout system at the point of sale basically prints this QR code on the bill. So this QR code, we're going to use it in order to receive the information contained on this bill and to trigger the payment below. So within the application, I have to scan this code. It's launching the camera. There you can see the... No, you have to remain still. Now it's processing. So I didn't push any button, basically. So it's automatically launching once it recognizes the QR code. there I have all the information. I can even, within the payment options, split the bill, add a tip, and things like that. So I'm going to use these, push the pay button, insert my PIN code, which for high security purposes is of course 1, 2, 3, 4 for the demo application. It's processing, and this is live over the air, so it's basically retrieving the information from the server and confirming the payment. So underlying, again, as I said before, there's a wire transfer, credit transfer, virement, that's executed from one account to another account. So that's the basic scenario. Now we have a more advanced scenario, which is the online scenario. So I'm going to hand over the microphone to George.
All right. This is a very basic web application that we're using internally to sell SMS credits that you can use to send SMSs to your friends and to your business contacts. So what happens, it's a prepaid account, and you can recharge a prepaid account by buying SMSs online. So we have implemented Digicash into this web application, so we can go ahead and buy some credits. So I'm going to do buy 123 credits, then go ahead and try and click here on Digicash as a payment method. So the next thing that happens is you scan the QR code, and as in the previous scenario, you will see that the payment has been confirmed in your web application. So it's real time, and it's also real time being deducted from your bank account. Okay, so we provide APIs to integrate this into your web application, and it's very easy to integrate, and it's very quick, so you don't have to go ahead and sign up and wait 3 months for your validation with your card processor. This is pretty instantaneous. Okay, the next scenario is you're in line at the supermarket. That's why we're simulating kind of a cash desk right here. It's a simple web application, but it shows you how the process works at the checkout counter in the supermarket. So I brought one of these barcode scanners that you know from your supermarket, and I'm going to go ahead and use my basket of products that I got here. Can you hold this for a second, please? And then I'm going to go ahead and scan those products. And then at some point they show up in my cash register, so I'm just going to buy a few more of those milk bottles. So you see I have an invoice of 604. So the next thing that will happen, this is the cashier scanning all the products. Then before I enter the line, I can already prepare my application, my Digicash application on my phone by selecting the display code option. In that case, there's a barcode, a two-dimensional regular barcode displayed on the display of your device, which can be scanned with the scanner device at the cash register. It will display, waiting for validation, the amount and the merchant information is being sent to the device. It can be validated using the regular process. The payment is confirmed, and the ticket, we don't have a printer right now to print the ticket, but you'll see payment has been confirmed in the cash desk, or simulated cash desk. So in the supermarket, they will print your ticket and your payment has been executed. All right.
So I'm going to tell you just in a minute very shortly where we're about with this project. So currently we're looking into a pilot project. So at the end of the year, beginning of next year, to launch a pilot project in Luxembourg. And there's, of course, we are looking for partners. We have made a lot of contacts already with the financial sector, with merchants, and so on. And so at the final stage is next week. Okay, well, the deployment, for Luxembourg, neighboring countries later on. Project, and finally project financing is currently being discussed and secured. So thanks a lot. If you have any questions, come to our booth. It's the C10 right over there. Thank you.